Welcome back to the channel. If you are working on a precise engineering or design project in Fusion 360, you might find yourself needing to switch your measurement units from inches to millimeters, or perhaps from centimeters to meters, depending on your manufacturing requirements. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change units in Fusion 360 quickly and accurately, so you can get back to your design workflow without any friction. Whether you are scaling a 3D model for 3D printing or setting up a professional CNC project, getting your units right is the first step in ensuring your parts fit perfectly. If you find this guide helpful, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more professional software tutorials. Let's jump right into the software. To begin, open the design file that you are currently working on within the Fusion 360 interface. Once your workspace is fully loaded, shift your focus over to the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a panel labeled as the browser. Inside this browser panel, you need to locate the folder that is named Document Settings. This folder contains all the global parameters for your current file. Go ahead and click the small arrow icon located immediately to the left of Document Settings to expand the contents of that folder. Once expanded, you will see a text line labeled Units. Hover your mouse cursor over that specific line, and you will notice a small icon that looks like a tiny pencil or a drop-down menu selector appear to the right side of the text. Click on that change icon to open the unit's configuration window. Within this new window, you will see a comprehensive list of all available unit formats. You can scroll through and select exactly what you need, whether it is millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, or even feet. Simply click on your preferred unit to highlight it. Once you have made your selection, it is very important that you click the OK button at the bottom of that dialog box to confirm your changes. Fusion 360 will instantly update the dimensions throughout your entire workspace to reflect the new measurement standard you just assigned. Now, if you ever need to revert these changes or switch to a different standard later on, you can simply follow these exact same steps. It really is that simple. Changing your units properly from the start ensures that your sketches, extrusions, and assembly constraints remain accurate throughout the entire lifecycle of your design project. If these steps helped you solve your unit settings issue today, please make sure to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.